at New York's Union Square, the famous climate clock is getting an update. The climate clock behind me says that we have 6 years and 250 days to turn around the worst of the climate crisis. The climate clock is adding a lifeline, a percentage of renewable energy that the world is now using, which is currently at 12% and rising. That's the good news, but it's way low than what we need it to be. We're taking these climate clocks and we're taking our messages from our communities to the White House. We're telling them, stop all fossil fuels, keep coal, oil, and gas in the ground.
This is a very simple reminder. Here's the clock. We're running out of time.
Because they're going to continue to represent us, they have to effectively meet the moment and meet the target and the timeline that's presented here.
We need to be optimistic about our ability to change the world, our ability to come together. And I think that's why it's important that we included the lifeline in there.
What these numbers mean for me and my community is life and death. This number is not, let's wait 6 years and then take climate action. It's within 6 years, we have to have this number be 100% or else we're screwed. So we need action fast and we need action now. Ban fracking, stop Line 3, stop the Dakota Access Pipeline.
We're Grand Central to Union Station in D.C. The climate clock has arrived for our friends who delivered to the White House, and see if we can get this clock to the White House before the big climate summit on Earth Day.
We want to ensure that our world does not reach past 1.5 degrees Celsius of warming.
We're here to demand an immediate end to the use of fossil fuels and to center the communities that are disproportionately impacted by the use of fossil fuels.
I am here to speak to the Biden administration to ask them to stop fossil fuel export. In my neighborhood, the pollution is killing us. Something needs to be done.
Today, we delivered the climate clock, our 300,000 global petitions to the White House. Now it's up to our world leaders to act.